Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Avengers Endgame and why Nebula didn't wear the Infinity Gauntlet. The Russo brothers' pair of Avengers movie covered a ton of narrative ground with plenty of moments ending up on the cutting room floor before it hit theaters. As such, there is always new information coming out regarding Endgame and Infinity War. The latest tidbit explains why Karen Gillan's Nebula didn't wield the Infinity Gauntlet like her character did in the comics. Nebula is one of the most fascinating characters in the MCU, as she is transformed from an antagonist to a sister and a teammate throughout her tenure on the screen thus far. Fans are hoping to see Nebula gets revenge on her father for the years of torment, possibly with the help of the Infinity Stones. According to the writers, it looks like Nebula's wielding of the Infinity Gauntlet would have made Tony's eventual acquisition less impactful. It was a huge twist when Tony swiped the stones from Thanos and had the bravery to wield them as a human. It ultimately cost Iron Man his life, and Nebula had the potential to hinder the storyline. Tony's sacrifice seemingly came into play late into the process, as the character's iconic utterances of "I am Iron Man" was one of the last things shot. As such, it makes sense that Nebula's Infinity Gauntlet might have stayed in the script for a while before eventually getting the chop from the writers. As for Nebula, the writers were not sure she needed the revenge by the final battle of Avengers Endgame. Her trauma was exposed in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, which allowed she and Gamora to become real friends and sisters. As for Thanos, she did get a final confrontation with him in the opening sequence of Endgame. The Mad Titan admits he was too harsh on her right before Thor decapitates the villain. From there, Nebula is given 5 years to grow as a person and connect with the remaining survivors of Thanos' snap.
You don't need to do that.
In the original draft of Avengers Endgame, it was the 2014 of Nebula that wielded the Infinity Gauntlet. After acquiring the stones of her father, she tried to prove that she was powerful and worthy to Thanos. That past Nebula would attempt to wear the gauntlet only for the stone's power and radiation to kill her. It's a differently tragic ending for that version of Nebula, but would have definitely cheapened the impact of Tony's death. As well as the current Nebula had a chance to kill her old self for the last time, putting the 2014 version down to save Gamora. It should be interesting to see where Nebula's story goes from here. She will likely pop up briefly in Thor: Love and Thunder, and as the Guardians are expected to have a role in Taika Waititi's upcoming blockbuster, but the real meat of the group's story will be explored in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3.